Hi, my name is Meng, and today I'm going to show you how I made a personalized jar stand. This is actually our latest wood decor listing from our Etsy shop. You can browse our collection at myideas.etsy.com, or if you wish to see how this is made, stick around. I created a very simple artwork on Carbide Create. I designed the stand to have a milled pocket to seat the jar, and plan to mill a contour line from the side, intending to seat the 4x6 picture frame, and engrave the front face of the stand. For my wood, I'm using 1 and 1/8 inch by 8 inch pine board. I cut it to a 3-inch depth. With my router, I'm using a rounding over bit to give the side edges a slight radius to soften the edges. So here I'm using mini wax hickory gel stain. I prefer gel stain over oil-based stain for this project, and it's not because I have anything against oil-based or water-based stains, but the big reason lies on when I CNC the wood or do any type of engraving. Gel stains aren't meant to soak into the fibers of the wood like that of oil stains, but create a top bonding layer exactly how interior paints work. This is crucial, especially when I start engraving. I don't have to mill deeper than I have to. For example, if I did apply oil stains, I would have to engrave deeper just to reveal the wood. So I'm going to bring that part over to the CNC machine. I'm using 1/8 inch end mill to CNC the pocket and to mill the contour line for the picture frame. The depth of the stand was a little too deep, so I wanted to create a mock-up before starting the engraving on my stand. The test sample actually came out pretty good. Now I'm just going to unclamp the test sample and then clamp the stand to the bench. For the engraving, I'm using a fine 3/4 of a millimeter end mill. I originally liked the idea to CNC and expose the wood. Now after seeing it, I only really wanted the engraving to be exposed, so then I just restained the top. I prefer gel stain. As alternatives, I do sometimes use solid one-coat stains and some bare one-coat paints, which can be bought from any local home center, and you can apply it the same way you do gel stain. And it's also because there isn't a full assortment of gel stains out there, as they do with oil-based stains. But if you know a company or a store that sells a higher assortment of gel stains, please let me know in the comments below. I'd be very interested to see what they have. The stand is a decor keepsake for collecting various sentiments such as sand and seashells from the beach, or highlighting your adventure to mysterious lighthouses, or capture memorable moments from vacations, honeymoons, cruises, or even from sailing with the wind. These are just a few things my wife and I enjoy doing together with our family, and I designed this stand to host some of our special vacation moments together. And this will make a great home decor piece anywhere in your home. Come visit our online store at myideas.etsy.com. Feel free to browse our collection. We carry wood decor, crochet items, and we also create custom and personalized items. And we can provide our services to help you create your designs. What you have to do is go to our My Ideas main page and then click on Request Custom Order and send us a message and details of what you had in mind. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact us anytime. Again, make sure you check out our store at myideas.etsy.com because we're always adding and updating our collection. If you made it this far in the video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you have any suggestions on what you'd like to see next, post it in the comments below, and I'll gladly spend the time to create content around your interests or curiosities. And I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya!